This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Violet Gonzalez. Nice two-story brick townhome with open floor plan in gated community in the heart of Southwest Houston. Convenient to the Galleria and West Belt, shopping and restaurants. This corner unit is well maintained, one bedroom up, semi-private loft, no door, not visible from first floor, with attached private bath. Living, dining, kitchen, half bath, laundry down. Tiled kitchen and baths, carpet in living and dining, stairs and second floor. Wood-burning fireplace and built-in shelves in living room. All appliances, including fridge, stacked washer and dryer included. Private outdoor living space abounds, with enclosed, covered first floor patio and second floor balcony. Reserved carport space plus additional unassigned parking. Beautiful community pool. No flooding in any of the record-setting floods in Houston.